Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. Today we will be going to start the chapter number 1 of English grade 4. So students, you should have in your hands the English textbook 4 of Cambridge Scholar series along with the summer pack of class 4. In addition to that, we have uploaded the resource packs for English 4 on our website for the guidance of principals and teachers, in which there is a detailed information that how you could be able to teach our textbooks. Today we will be going to conduct the second lecture of chapter 1st. So previously we have studied the grammar portion and our SLO was order of adjectives. So today we will be going for the further practice of the order of adjective and to arrange the words alphabetically. So here is our lecture. You have to rewrite the following sentences and to put the correct order of adjectives. So what is the first sentence? I like those wooden old dark houses. Here wooden, old and dark are what? Adjectives, and houses is what? This is a noun. So wooden is of what type of adjective? Do you remember the correct order? That was what? O S A S O C O S T. O is for what? That is for opinion. S for size, A for age, S for shape, C for color, O for what? Origin, and S for sound, and T for taste. So wooden is what? Wooden is origin. क्या है? Adjective of origin. Old is of what? Age. And dark is of what? Color. So sequence क्या कहता है? The right answer is what of 1? What would be the sequence? Old, dark, wooden. This will be the sequence because old, age is first before what? Before color and before origin. Here this is age, this is what? Color, dark, and O is what? That is the origin. So that is why the correct order is this. The second one. I saw a yellow small butterfly. Yellow and small. Yellow is of what? Color, and small is what? Size. So this is very easy. Order में क्या है? पहले color है कि पहले size है? The first is size and then is color. You have to just shuffle both the adjectives. Now the third one. She gave me a red small new beautiful paper box as a gift. Now red is what? The adjective of color. Small is of size. New is of age. Beautiful is of opinion. And paper क्या है इसका? Origin. So sequence इसका wrong है. What is the right sequence? क्या होगा? The right sequence is first it will be the opinion, that is beautiful पहले आएगा, then what? Then size, small, then age, new, then red, color, and then of what? Paper. That is the origin. So the sequence would be this. The fourth one, Hanif has bought a black latticed rectangular Japanese laptop. So black is of what? Color. Latticed is age. Rectangular is shape. Japanese is origin. And laptop is what? Noun. So the correct answer is क्या होगा? शाबाश, आप जवाब दें. That is latest पहले आएगा, because latest क्या है? That is age. तो age पहले होगा. Then what? Shape, rectangular, latest, rectangular. Then what? Then color, black, and after that, that is Japanese. That is the origin. The last one, the fifth one is, please put the marbles into that old red round little box. Old red round and little. So what is old? Adjective of age. Red is adjective of color. Round, adjective of shape. Little, adjective of size. What is the correct sequence? Shabash. Little पहले आएगा, because what? Size पहले है. Then old. Then age. Then round. And then red. This is the correct sequence if you are going to follow the correct order of adjective. Here are some of the MCQs. The first one is, dash are words that explain the quality of a noun. So क्या quality बताता है? Verbs बताते हैं, tenses बताते हैं, adjectives बताते हैं या adverbs? Yes, adjectives are basically what? The words that explains the quality of a noun. What refers to the order in which adjectives are arranged in a sentence? Order of adjective. Yes, order of adjective. Sequence, wrong. Line of adjective, wrong. Row of adjective, wrong. Which one of the following is an example of the correct adjective order? So क्या है? OSASCOST. That one is the correct order. So the first one is opinion. Yes, here is opinion. Then is size, size. Then is age, age. Then is shape. Yes, this one is the right answer. Let's check the remaining one. The first is opinion, true. The second is age. Yeah, no, this is wrong. The first one is opinion. The next one is shape, wrong. The next one is basically size. The fourth option, opinion, this is true. Size, true. Shape, wrong, because here the third one is age. The fourth MCQ is, which of the following is an example of adjective of size? Huge. Yes, this is the right one, because red is the adjective of color. Nice is the adjective of what? Opinion. And old is the adjective of age. Which of the following is an example of adjective of age? Tall is wrong. Beautiful, wrong. Ugly, wrong. Ancient, yes, because the age is clearly depicted by ancient. Now students, here is then homework of what? The alphabetical order. You have to arrange all these words in alphabetical manner that started from A to what? To Z. So this is your homework. That is very easy. The next one homework is from summer pack. You have to identify the correct order of adjectives in the following. You have already done. Find the adjective of origin from the following. You have already done. Which word in the following sentence is adjective of shape? You have already done. And choose the combination of adjectives of opinion and sound from the following options. Already done by you. The next one is why. Yes, here you have to also mention the selected option is why selected. The next one is find the adjective of beauty. You have done it. Select the adjective of taste. We have done it. And in the last, here is the activity. You have to find the examples of the order of adjectives and write them below in sequence. We have already done it in the previous slides, the order of adjective and what? We have practiced by several examples. So this is what you have to do in your summer pack. Thank you for today's lecture. Allah Hafiz and take care.